novel technologies are changing the way how we do business. From blockchain to big data analytics are transforming supply chains, financial markets, and consumer relationships. 8th iCMR 2023 will explore the impact of emerging technologies on different business areas.
New technologies has accelerated the construction industry, and a lot of new technologies are being used, especially the softwares like BIM, Revit, Costex, Naviswork and so on. Come join us on the iCMR 23.
Technology in the field of education is not new, but it has always been a part of it. As quoted by David Wiley, an early adopter of technology in classrooms, it is an undeniable fact that technology is the pen and paper of our time. iCMR 2023, the next frontier, the emerging technologies for global well-being, is the right platform for all the educators to come, explore, and to present their research findings in the field of education.
Emerging technologies are reshaping our world in an unprecedented space. From artificial intelligence and quantum computing to biotechnology and renewable energy, these innovations hold the potentials to transform industrial and improve our daily lives. In the realm of artificial intelligence and machine learning, revolutionize everything from healthcare to finance, used to analyze, to make predictions and automate tasks with remarkable accuracy. Quantum computing still are in infancy, promises to solve complex problems that were previously unimaginable from classical computers. BCAS iCMR 2023 conference will be a perfect platform to explore the emerging trends and technologies in this rapidly changing world.
Emerging technologies are transforming the healthcare industry, from artificial intelligence powered diagnostic Biomedical. Join us at iCMR 2023 to create a dialogue about the latest innovation and how we improve patient care. Researchers will share their work on topics such as personalized medicine, precision surgery, and digital health. This is a rare opportunity to share your research and network with leading experts in the field of health and sciences.